You need to watch this if your LG Magic Remote is doing absolutely nothing. Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's get that remote working again, and maybe save your sanity. First things first, batteries. If your remote is acting weird or ignoring you, weak batteries might be the culprit. Pop them out, clean the contacts with a dry cloth and put in fresh ones. Sometimes that's all it takes. Still no luck? Try scrolling the wheel in the middle of the remote. Seriously, just give it a spin. If your cursor disappeared, this trick can bring it right back. Next, check for stuck buttons. Take out the batteries, press every button a few times, then hold the power button for 10 seconds. Put the batteries back and see if you've got your magic touch back. If not, let's reconnect the remote. Hold the home and back buttons together for 5 seconds until the TV says the remote's disconnected. Then press any button to pair it again. Still nothing? Let's check Bluetooth. Use your phone to scan for devices. If you see LGMRX, the remote's Bluetooth is working. And if all else fails, do a soft reset on your TV. Turn it off, unplug it, press the TV's power button for 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Worst case, download the LG TV Plus app on your phone and turn it into your new remote. Hope one of these fixes did the trick. Give us a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more friendly tech tips.